I have been an Indian Oil customer where I have shared my honest experience with Servo and other Indian Oil products in the past. I guess Servo came across one such video and they wanted me to try their new range of engine oils and share my honest review. Now coming to the point, the motorcycle segment roughly accounts for about 25% volume of automotive lubricant consumption. So I went ahead with the Servo 40 Xtra on the trusted Hero Honda Passion Pro, which has been running on 20W40 grade oils for most of its life. I have experimented with 10W40 grade on this very machine, and this time we are back with the mechanic's favorite 20W40. Although manufacturers have shifted to specific grades like 10W30, 20W50 and others, which are still available in this very servo range, but majority of the mechanic community still prefers 20W40 as the viscosity sits and overlaps between multiple grades and acts like an universal oil. In this case, the Servo 40 Xtra comes with the HTHS value of 4.05, which shows that Servo has kind of focused more on the protection of the engine. Which is good, but I was concerned with the resistance offered and its effect on fuel efficiency numbers. In our test, we got around 55 km per liter in mixed riding conditions, which is really good for a mineral-based engine oil. The engine performance was decent on the highway runs, but unfortunately during the day of shoot after a pressure wash, the speedometer decided to stop responding. Restricted with 4 gears, I limit myself in the 60 to 70 km per hour zone on this 100cc machines with drum brakes, where the engine might take you to higher speeds, but emergency braking can only be brought by collisions. The engine was free from complaints and maintained 60 km per hour for long durations. You should also note that most of this running was done during the pleasant winter season with no sign of overheating from the engine. This also brings me to the cold morning starts, which were surprisingly achieved by a single kick most of the time, demonstrating a good cold start behavior by the 40 Xtra, followed by a usual 1-minute warm-up. But the gearbox took some more time to get into its element from some initial hard shifts to smoother service once the operational temperatures were achieved. I think we must appreciate Servo for formulating the 40 Xtra to meet with the superior API-SN and JSOMA2 standards, where most of the oils in this mineral oil segment are still stuck in the API-SG and SJ performance category. And yes, the formulation also makes the 40 Xtra compatible with the latest BS6 engines. The flashpoint and pour point values are also right up there, and even after a long highway ride and regular city traffic tortures, the engine oil level was intact with no sign of oil drop. The total base number at 6.25 is alright, and I say that because Servo is not claiming some imaginary 5-digit drain interval with this mineral based engine oil. I guess all of this makes the Servo 40 Xtra a well-rounded mineral based engine oil. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a lab test video on Servo engine oils. As a future scope, I would like to say that after using the Zotic Plus from IOCL, I sincerely feel that Indian Oil should bring something similar in the 100% synthetic segment under the Servo brand at a competitive price for motorcycle enthusiasts like us. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.